Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. These are the two pieces of a 3.5 millimeter stereo jack. It converts from one female to two male headphones, microphone, audio cable. Okay. I got this from China on eBay for $1.78 for two of them. So let's go ahead and then get this unboxed. So it comes with this braided cable. Let's go ahead and check this out. Sorry guys, I was on vacation for a couple of days, 2 days, so now I'm back. So hopefully I could put some of the video up for you guys to check it out. So this is one female to two males, and the green one is for the microphone. I mean, the red one's for the mic, and then the green one's for the headset. So if you have a gaming headphone with the boom mic, this is what you will need. Or else if you connect your 3.5mm jack directly to one of headphone, it will work for headphone, but you need this plug in order to have a combo, okay, for your headphone and then microphone. Or else it will only work with one. Well, actually, when I test out on the microphone with the 3.5mm jack, it doesn't even work at all. So, okay. So this is another one. So please just search on eBay and then look for 3.5mm jack for type in one female to two male, like that, and you should be able to search it. Because I don't promote for sellers, so a lot of viewers were asking me where I get it from. Do I have the link? So please just go search it yourself. Okay. So this is my unboxing for this two pieces 3.5mm stereo jack converter. All right, please give it a thumbs up, like the video, and then subscribe to the channel again if you do so yet, and turn on that bell for notification. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media. They would require this for their headphone with the boom mic to convert their also to split it. This is also known as a white cable. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.